In the UDA and SAFINA, we have a point of convergence in that all of us are saying the priority for this country is economic liberation. And therefore, we form a strong team, and I'm sure along the way, we'll get some convergence so that we look at numbers. Because at the end of it all, on the 9th of August this year, the numbers will make a decisive action in this country, and we begin the journey for economic liberation. And we want to say, Jimmy Wanjigi and SAFINA, we have a job to do with all of us in UDA to liberate this country from state capture. The economy of this country is down. All businesses are shutting down. Nobody is making profit. It's only businesses run by one family that are thriving. And this cannot be. We must free the people of Kenya from state capture. We are looking at a situation where the milk industry, through state capture, there was a deliberate scheme to monopolize that industry, where the owners of that industry, from one family, set the prices for milk from the farmers, and they also set the prices of how much to give the consumers. And as a result, you exploit both the farmer and the consumer. This must be brought to an end. And this country is steering at family capture. The project that is being pushed around is a deliberate scheme of family capture, where 3 families have sat down and decided that they want to rule Kenya for the next 200 years. And we have the Kenyattas, the Jaramogis, and the Mois. And these 3 families have been sitting down and saying, despite the fact that the presidency of Mwai Kibaki was the most celebrated in terms of economic empowerment, in terms of empowering the Kenyan people, those 3 families are saying that the Kibaki presidency was indeed a mistake. What should have happened is that the 3 families should continue exchanging. We had the Kenyatta, we had the Moi. They say the Kibaki was a mistake. Now we have the Kenyatta. They want us to go to the Odinga. Then we go back to the Moi. Then we go back to Kenyatta. Is it possible? It's not possible. So the people of Kenya must stand up to the planned family capture and come up with a leadership that will put the interests of the people of Kenya first. And the 3 families are not interested about the people of Kenya. It's about protecting their family and business interests. And the people of Kenya must stand up to that. So the people of SAFINA, as you fagia water, you need to get the rubbish you fagia, we put it in a wheelbarrow and take it to the sea. Asanteni.